Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be playing Minecraft today. I have this on speed, and I'm actually never posted a Minecraft video as long as this one, which was an hour. Yeah, a little more than an hour, but I had to speed it up because I didn't want y'all waiting for so long. So, it's sped up right now. We get into it. What I wanted to do right here, you're probably like, why are you looking through here? I'm looking through here because I tried to do third person. I don't know how to do third person on mobile because this is only my second time playing Minecraft on mobile. So you're gonna have to live through this. That's what I'm gonna say. um I was really upset at the end because I wasn't able to get everything done, but you'll see in a little bit. So here we're getting into it. We're going to start digging because this is how I usually make my Minecraft houses. I usually do the layout first, which is why I'm digging instead of building. I mean, like, now I'm building, but like, you know. Don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna do the dirt after. So now I'm using cherry planks for the walls to see the height that I want to make them and where I want the ceiling to be. So y'all, let's take a quick look at this, shall we? This is where I messed up. I was supposed to make the floor all, what's it called? Dead planks? I don't remember that color, but I accidentally made the wall and the floor the same type of wood. So I had to see what other color for the floor, what other wood for the floor I should have used. Anyways, back to the video. Honestly, do y'all think that I should do a slower version of this? This sounds like it would be some good ASMR. The only thing that I really don't like about this whole video is I was always messing up at least once. Like, I was always putting down wood blocks until I accidentally put one on the side when I wasn't supposed to. Or for the glass, which you will see in a little bit actually. I don't use plain glass for a reason, but I used it this time to make it look good, and this is why I don't use plain glass. Honestly, y'all, I couldn't find a lot of copyright free music, so this is what I got for y'all. So I know a lot of people is gonna be talking about gacha down in the comments, but just because it's in gacha mini movies and stuff doesn't mean that it's a gacha song specifically. It's just in gacha. So don't be mad at me. Honestly, my inspiration for doing these Minecraft houses that I literally just started doing today in this video is from Tootsie. She is a Minecraft YouTuber, and she makes houses and she tells y'all things like history and stuff like that. But I honestly do not want to get into all that stuff. Leave that to Tootsie, okay? I'm just gonna explain to y'all why I'm doing some things in my videos. That's pretty much it. That's it. I don't really talk a lot in my videos because I know that there's some people who like there to be a lot of talking, and some people who are just like, could you stop talking, just get to the point. Yeah, that type of stuff. I don't talk a lot, but I do talk. So as long as y'all are entertained, if y'all want me to change anything, I can change something. If you want me to talk more, if you want me to talk less, just leave it in the comments. It's fine. So I finally figured out what type of floor I wanted because I accidentally used wood for the wall, the wood I was gonna use for the floor. But I used birch planks instead to save myself because I was thinking of like a cafe, like, you know how cafes are usually like pink or brown or something in that type of variety that's pastel. Yeah, that's what I was going for with the floor, because I know that cafes are like, there's some kitty cafes, yeah, they're white and pink, and there are some brown and white kitty cafes. That was specifically what I was going for. So I'm like, why don't I just put these all together, since I used the wood that I was gonna use for the floor and used it for the wall. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me calm down. So y'all, I am so for real running out of copyright free music. So at the end of this video, y'all might not hear music at all. And the only thing y'all gonna be hearing is me just mining and building. But since I'm running out of copyright free music, why not use my copyright free music, which is gonna play next. Sadly, I don't have a lot of copy free music unless y'all have some for me. So I guess here we go. Hold up, y'all. Wait a minute, cause this is where I'm gonna use my glass planks. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to pause on the music, but glass planks, glass planes. But as you can see right here, I'm messing up a whole lot. Yeah, I messed up about like 12 times on this, probably way more, because it's just I this is why I don't like using glass planes. This is why I usually use the glass blocks and not the planes. But I wanted to make it look better with the planes, so I used the planes. Anyways, let me stop yapping and get back to the music. I paused right here because it's just when I realized that I forgot a row. And now I'm fixing all of the mistakes I made. Yay! Y'all, right now, we are toast. Like super toast. We can't do anything. We can't do anything about this now. I don't have enough music. I don't have enough music. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be yapping because we don't have enough music. Yeah. So as y'all can see right here, I'm doing the ceiling. This is gonna be what the ceiling is gonna look like because actually in a little bit it's gonna tell me that I ran out of storage. So I just didn't add that into the video, and I just cut it a little bit. I deleted some of my apps and stuff after that, and yeah, but the whole house gets finished. It's just I just didn't have enough time to do the ceiling. You can do the ceiling however you want. Doesn't really matter. Like, I'm showing you the interior design and the most part of the design, but you can do whatever you want with your ceiling and stuff. So yeah, like I don't have nothing on the ceiling or anything like that. Like, you can do whatever you want. And yes, this was supposed to be a 1 floor house, which it is. It is not a 2 floor house because I didn't have enough time to make that. And this 1 floor was challenging enough. What I would definitely say my favorite part about the interior design is the chandelier. The only thing I did with the house really was light it up. I didn't add any beds, I didn't add the kitchen, I didn't add the living room, I didn't do any of that. That's the stuff that you choose what you want to do. This is just the design of how I wanted to make my character. Brody, did I just say character, bro? What? What? I mean, my house. Bro, light it up in here. Yeah, get yourself some lamps and some candles and all that other stuff. You know, we have to add the light. You can't see anything without light, bruh. Okay. Let's see how you're about to make this chandelier. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is the first version of the chandelier. It wasn't that intriguing, was it? Don't do this. Just don't do this. This. No, this is so much better. Do this. Yeah, that's how your famous YouTubers be doing it. Yeah. So y'all, as y'all can see, yeah, I kind of loaded back in. So, yeah, this is one of the things that happened with the storage. So we just gonna speed this up again. So what I was gonna try doing right here was make a little like ledge piece to make it look um just better, but Minecraft doesn't allow me to do it the way I wanted it to. So it looks more like a dog bed. So what I did with the dog bed idea is make a dog bed. No, 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 no. I didn't mean to do that. Come here, buddy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So actually, out here was gonna make a pool, but um, I just decided not to because of the first storage thing. So I'm just doing different stuff now. If you want, you can add the pool. Hey, it's not my game. You can do whatever you want. And I wanted to add some design to the front door or just this spot near the front door because it just looked too plain to me. It's fine that the back looks plain because the back is the back, and usually people don't go through the back for their first welcoming. So here I added pillars using my sister's technique. Don't tell her. The dog sounds like it's like wincing, like it's dying or something. Honestly, how come this looks like a set of eyes? Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, it was another storage thingy. This is yeah. And so, y'all, that is the finish of my house. I really hope y'all like this, but I don't really care if you do. Um, I like this actually. Bye.